Welcome back to the Advanced Higher Computing Science tutorial videos. We're going to have a look at PHP in more detail today. So we're going to use this booklet from Robert Gordon's college, and it has a lot of exercises that you'll need. So we've already installed the software for web server. So you've got PHP MySQL server running using EasyPHP or XAMPP or MAMP, one of these type of things. Today you're going to need your text editor, so you can either use one of these ones. Sublime Text is the one I'm going to be using. Notepad++ is a very good one for Windows, as we use in school, so you might want to use that one at home. We have lots of exercises today, so we're going to have a look at doing a couple of these. So the first task is we're going to write a program to display the information from the server. It's just going to bring up the server info for PHP, just so we know that it's definitely working, we're in the right place. So it's predefined function, so it's just going to bring up what we need. So I'm just going to copy this for quickness. So I'm going to put it into my text editor up here, and I've already got it there, so it's good to go. And if I was to save this, it doesn't have any of the closing tags on it, so it's not complete yet. But if I have to save this, file save as, and I want to put it into this section here. So I've got this section here, I've got this htdocs folder in my MAMP, which is my web server, and I want to find that location. So I've got it quickly there for me. So I can just click save, and I'll call it, what was the name? It says, call it phpinfo.php, phpinfo.php. Save, and we're going to use PHP. Double check that's in there, phpinfo.php. Now if I start my servers, so if I start MAMP running and I click start servers, it's going to come up with the web page. So I can go to my HTML, and I've got this phpinfo.php, and it brings up the page I want. Okay, so it brought up my PHP server info, and it's called PHP server info there, so I know it's working. Okay, so the next task is your hello world. Okay, so I'm just going to, again, it says we're going to create a program to display hello world, which is usually the first program you would do. So we're going to use the echo command. Now you should have learned about the echo command using the W3 Schools tutorials last week, so hopefully you know what that is. So it just produces what's on the page, so it's going to echo things out onto my web page. So you can echo anything from tags to text to whatever you want, you can echo it out to. It's just like a print command. So again, if I look through this, so this one's more complete, so let's see about putting that into my text editor. So I'll go back, open up my text editor, create a new page, new file, paste it in, and I'm going to save this, so file, save as, I'm going to call it hello world.php. I'm going to show you what that hello world was. So hello world.php, and it now says hello world up there, and it says hello world in the title. Now if you were to view the source, you could see that this just had the hello world, it didn't have the echo, it didn't have the PHP, so you can see that it's just the HTML, because the PHP is rendered on the server, it is processed on the server, so you don't see all that out on the client, which is your browser. Okay, so you need to watch that. So I want you to do the first exercise 1, 2, exercise 3, 4. We're going to learn about variables, so you need to pay attention to the variables using $signs. 5 and 6, I'd like to get to that, and I'd like to screenshot every exercise just to prove that you've done it, just to make sure that we've done it correctly. Okay, type them out as well, don't just copy and paste them like me, I just did that for quickness, but type them out so you can get a feel for it quickly, so you're not just copy and paste it, so you're actually learning it. So type them out, change that however you want, change it to say other things, and you know, you can go through it, go ahead and do that for me. Okay, so I want you to do up to exercise 6 and then continue with the other parts of the learning on W3 Schools. Don't move on to the exercise 7 until next week, okay, because we want to make sure we have an explanation from me on that going forward. Okay, so up to exercise 6 for me, and that'll be a good start for us. Okay, thanks.